What is up, loud and proud crowd? So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Reminder, last 3 days to enter to win this truck. That's it, 3 days, and this giveaway is gone. And this is by far the cleanest, most unique truck we've ever given away. And I know I've said we've given away some nice trucks because we have, but this one is by far the most clean truck ever. I mean, hands down, it's as clean as my 2019 is. But it's a lot older, obviously. 20-year-old truck in just perfect shape. Every $15 now gets you 2 entries to win this truck. And who doesn't want to have double the entries to win a truck like this? I mean, this thing is just freaking mean and pristine. I mean, just look at it. So clean. 12-valve compound turbos, all that jazz. Anyway, so we're actually on our way over to my uncle's place over in Ohio, over in central Ohio, over in Worcester, and I'm going to be filming a video with his 3rd gen today. But to start out the morning, I was going to tell you guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I pull my car out of the shop, and what is the first thing that happens? And you know, it seems like, and I'm sure everybody can relate, there's always at least that one thing every day that just kind of is just like, why did that have to happen to me? Like, are you serious? This is one of those moments. And as you can hear that, I've got a big hunk of metal stuck in my tire, which sucks. So I've got 2 options here. Let me tell you what my 2 options are right now. I can either be PO'd that happened, and I can be like, are you freaking kidding me? Why me? Why me? Why did that have to happen? Or I can go, you know what? That sucks, but on the bright side, I'm not going 80 miles an hour down a highway halfway to where I'm going, stranded in the middle of nowhere with a blown tire, waiting on a tow truck, which is gonna cost me hundreds of dollars, and then have to get the tire repaired, which is gonna be probably 200 bucks because those are Pirellis, and then be able to get on my way halfway throughout the day or later. Instead, I'm gonna be like, you know what, at least that didn't happen in that situation, and now I have an opportunity to avoid those problems, and I'm just gonna take this truck. As much as I don't like putting miles on the trucks that are, you know, necessary to be putting on them, I'd rather be thankful that that happened here and I happened to catch it than go down the road and then see that chunk of metal in there, or not see it and then it just cause a huge problem throughout my entire day. That would be a lot worse. So count your blessings, and sometimes things look really crappy, but you just gotta find the good in everything. If you don't, life's gonna be rough on you. I'm sorry, but it's gonna be really tough. Don't forget to enter this giveaway. 3 days left. We're going to get this truck pulled out and get on down the road to see, by far, if you ask me, one of the cleanest bone stock 3rd gens you will ever lay eyes on. We're now in Worcester, Ohio, and I don't know if the video might seem different to you guys and the audio might seem different right now. I am actually using a new camera. I was stressing so bad this morning about making sure I did not forget my camera, and the one thing I did that morning was forget my camera. That morning being this morning. And so I filmed my shots and everything, so by the time you see this video I would have, you know, gone through the entire weekend, then actually come back and piece it together with footage from my other camera and then made it one video. But anyways, hopefully you guys are ready to see this video I have coming to you guys. It's gonna be showing you one of the cleanest 3rd gens I have ever laid eyes on, and my uncle just happens to own it. And I don't think he really understood what truck he had until he saw it and bought it, and we told him, we're like, dude, this is something that you do not see very often. I'll just hold the details for later, but hopefully you guys enjoy the new video footage. Hopefully it's better and not worse. And in terms of the microphone, the audio might be a little bit lesser quality right now because I don't have an external microphone to pick up my audio better. But hopefully you guys like the video, and the video quality and clarity is very good. Hopefully the video clarity and stuff like that is good and you guys like it and you enjoy it. And the trip was about 180 miles of driving, and this truck's so close to 3,000 miles. It is at 2,000, let's see, we're at 2,952 miles on the Limited. So babe, what's your response to the first 3,000 miles on the Limited?
It went quick.
Yeah, it definitely did go. The first like 1,500 miles were like in the first week. But overall, how have you liked this truck compared to the Longhorn? Because I know you were really attached to that truck, because it was really like, besides the dually, which was like the first week we started dating, yeah. I bought the Longhorn literally like the weekend we officially started dating, or like the weekend before or something, or after.
Yeah. I like the look of the Longhorn, like the interior, because like I like, you know,
the
like
Western vibe.
Western vibe, yeah. But this is a lot more comfortable, And it's more like a clean, classy look.
And super, like a super modern,
right,
sleek look too.
And, I mean, and it's got a big butt, so.
And it's got a big dually buzz. Guys, we're gonna go pull this 3rd gen out and get you guys some really nice footage around that truck. Oh, here we go. Sorry for adjusting your seat, Uncle. Man, boys, I don't know. I kind of want a 3rd gen manual now. Holy cannoli. 53,000 original miles. 53,919 miles on this thing. And right now, you're about to see one of the cleanest 3rd gens I have ever laid eyes on. This is the first year this truck's been driven in the snow. And I'm pretty sure he did drive it in the winter a little bit, just because this is his only truck. And when he needed to do truck stuff, he's got to drive it. And it's just kind of like, you know, it went from being like stupid clean, never, like just way babied, to still being babied for sure. It sits in a heated and cooled garage, but he's still got to use it for a truck. He has a farm operation, they do hay and work, and he's got to haul stuff and all that jazz, so he still has to use it. But I gotta tell you guys, still one of the cleanest trucks I've ever seen in terms of 3rd gens. But we're about to show you this right now. Showed you around the truck, and the truck is super clean for the most part. It's really dusty right now. He's probably gonna make a comment about that. He's like, when you post that video, the truck was all dirty, and because usually he keeps his stuff like so clean. It's pretty crazy. I mean, he drives like a 392 sports car every day, and like that thing stays spit shine. That's usually just how all of his stuff is. And I mean, look around this place, it's always kept super clean and nice. That's just how he takes care of all this stuff. But like, this truck, for the most part, I know it's dusty and dirty right now, but it is very clean. In terms of the engine bay though, this truck I don't believe is deleted and tuned. It has a different exhaust. It is tuned actually, but I don't think it's fully deleted. There's a bunch of stuff under there that when you look under the hood of my, you know, 2019, which actually that'd be a good thing to bring up. This is a 6.7 and that's a 6.7. Side by side, looking at the differences under the hood. This truck is definitely a really solid truck. And but if you want to make it really last as long as possible and get the full experience of how capable this truck really is, you really do need to get this thing deleted. I mean, that's just really the only way to go. Interior on this thing, just look at how nice this thing is. The floor mats, the WeatherTech floor mats on both sides. Not a rip in here. I mean, he just keeps his stuff really nice. I mean, the truck is beautiful. I mean, dash isn't all busted up. Very clean. If I had to pick a 3rd gen to buy, this would definitely be at the top of my list in terms of like trucks to buy. Now, I would prefer this to be in a 5.9. However, this truck, as clean as it is, with as low miles as it has, it's not too far gone to where you could delete and tune this truck and make it extremely reliable. And it would just be like an all-around just animal of a truck. I mean, just an awesome truck. And we're gonna get you guys an exhaust note, and then we're gonna actually get a clip of going down the road a little bit. It's got a South Bend dual disc clutch in it, guys, by the way, just a little side note. But it is different driving this from the 6-speed 24 valve that I had. and also different from the, way different than a 5-speed 12-valve. 5-speed 12-valve is like so stupid easy to drive. I remember driving this one other time, and I remember being like, this thing's a little bit weird to drive, but it's fun to drive. It's just different. Right now we're in low. There's 2. There's 3. 4. There's 5. It's really fun to drive. It's like a newer stick shift, so it's really like refined in terms of like shifting. It's like effortless. It's literally just like almost like bumping it into place. But of course, you still got to get kind of used to it. Otherwise, it's you know what I mean. Because the reverse is different than the other ones that I've driven, and like the gear pattern's just a little bit different. And then there's 6, which is pretty much your cruising gear, but we're gonna get turned around, and then on our way back, I'm not gonna lay into it hard, obviously. It's not my truck, but I am going to accelerate a little bit more and kind of get like a feel for the power of this thing. Here we go. Going down here, then we're gonna get into a little bit more.
Bikers.
Wow. Yeah, I see them. This thing is awesome. That was that not super smooth, easy shifting?
Yeah. That was
and it rode really nice. Like newer trucks, I gotta tell you, like I love the old trucks. They're freaking awesome. Enter to win Mordecai. That's an awesome, super crazy stud truck. But there's just something about that like middle generation of these, diesel trucks throughout the evolution of diesel trucks to where they just like got really like almost modernized, but not quite all the way. And they were just like manly, beefy, cool trucks, but they were just like a more refined version. And this is like one of those trucks, if that makes sense. It's just such a blast to drive. I don't know, guys, should I buy a 6-speed 3rd gen or not? Something like this condition, this mileage though, it'll run you 28 grand all day long. Let me know, comment down below. So there was kind of the conclusion, and in terms of the drivability of this truck, freaking love this truck and the 6.7 Cummins in this. It rides nice, performs nice, and it's just a really good combination. It was super fun to drive, just really a blast. And I think in terms of Reagan and my brother Matthias in the truck, I'm sure they really enjoyed that compared to my older trucks. It just rode really nice for the truck that it is, a heavy duty truck. In terms of under the hood, like I said, hasn't been cleaned under the hood recently, but it wasn't this dirty. Not long ago, it just it's hard to keep up, especially when you have multiple vehicles like he does. So in terms of under the hood, still needs deleted and stuff. There's just some stuff that's just not deleted. But he does have an aftermarket exhaust on it, which is something that I'm kind of puzzled about. And we're gonna compare it under the hood. Obviously, main interior differences are vastly different, but in terms of under the hood, first thing you notice is the grills don't go up anymore, just like the 4th gens and 5th gens, the grills don't come up anymore with the hood. And then under the hood, you can see everything that is still under the hood. And it's a 6.7 Cummins, and it looks exactly the same. Almost exactly identical compared to the other one. There's actually my uncle pulling up right now in this 392 Scat Pack. So in terms of under the hood, almost no differences, look almost the exact same, just obviously 12 years older to the 2019, 07 to 2019. Both very, very good, dependable, reliable, awesome trucks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this one. Comment down below, do you think I should get a 3rd gen? I'm gonna do another 3rd gen video here soon. Do you guys think I should do a 3rd gen next? Or should I try to do a 4th gen? Or should I go and do an old school truck again, but then do a completely different build. I'm talking like a complete transformation, not just little tiny things here and there, little cosmetic. I'm talking a complete transformation, do something cool and crazy or not. Let me know what you guys think. Middle generation, third-ish, fourth-ish, or should I go first or second, or should I go completely different in terms of Ford, Chevy? Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below what trucks do you guys want to see the most on this channel next, and I'll try to do my best to take care of all of your guys' desires in terms of content. Thank you guys so much. Do not forget to enter to win the blue Mordecai 12 valve. You guys have 3 days left and that giveaway is done. Every $15 is 2 entries to win that beautiful truck, and that's a deal that we've never done before, so definitely take us up on that offer. And then also guys, remember, time is ticking, and if you don't enter, you will not know if you could have been the winner of that beautiful truck. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.